Hello viewers, this is Mitul here. In this module 6, so far we have covered up module 6.1, 6.2 and now we will be covering about the 6.3, which is the types of conditional statement. So all these three which are these conditional statements that we will be covering. The first one is the if then else, where it is like a logical condition evaluated as true. If it executes the T-SQL statements under the if block, otherwise condition is evaluated, then it is false, and executes the T-SQL statement under the else block. The second kind of conditional statement is while. It's a kind of a loop which continuously executes to until the given condition, the logical condition becomes true. It continues to execute the intermittent T-SQL statements or a block of statements which within the loop. Okay, it can be stopped using the break or continue using the continue statement. Then there is a third type of conditional statement we'll be covering is the case statement. Case statements are mainly used for logical condition evaluation, and we'll see more in the detail for that. So let's get started for that. Okay, so here in this, like the first one is the if then else statement that we'll be covering. So what is the purpose of if then else statement that we use, right? Why do we use it? So we need to use, or we might want to use it just to evaluate the Boolean expression basically. Now what is Boolean expression is, like, you understand, like, which is like 1 equal to 1 or 1 equal to 0 or something, right? Which returns the result in the form of true or false. That is what we identify as Boolean expression, right? So this kind of expression is what the user would write using the statements, and then this statement is basically providing us the functionality which can help us evaluate such an expression and execute the block respective within that fulfillment of like the statement. Basically, suppose if the Boolean expression becomes true, then in that case it will execute the T-SQL statements within the if block. If it becomes false, then it will